Hi, this is the first of a series of videos about IPv4 addressing. In this one, we will see how addresses in IPv4 are defined. First of all, let's define an address. An IPv4 address is defined by a 32-bit number, which is usually grouped in 8-bit numbers and read in a decimal dot notation. That is, the address in the slide would be read as 138.4.54.3, or if you prefer, 138.4.54.3. In IPv4, addresses in a network are usually hierarchical. That means that hosts in a network share a common prefix in the address. In this example in the slide, all hosts in the network share the first 21 bits of their addresses. That means that their addresses go from 138.4.48. something to 138.4.55. something. The lowest address of a network range is called the network address. That means the address which identifies the whole network. In this case, it would be 138.4.48.0. Any network address should be accompanied by a net mask. The net mask indicates how many bits of the network address are corresponding to the network part and how many bits are corresponding to the host's part. That means how many bits are the prefix. In this case, 21 bits are the prefix. That means that the net mask would have 21 ones and the rest would be zeros. This translated to decimal dot notation would be 255.255.248.0. But you can also specify it as an /21 beside the network address. This /21 means 21 ones to the left plus 11 zeros to the right. This net mask is what tells us how many hosts we can have in the network, or we can say it as how many addresses are available in the network. This is called the address range. As we have said before, the lowest address is the network address, which in this case is 138.4.48.0. With the /21 net mask, we would have the address range shown in the slide. The topmost address, the highest address, is called the broadcast address, and it's used to address all hosts in the network. That means if you send, in this case, an IP datagram to 138.4.55.255, it would be received by all the hosts in the network. So, the lowest one is the network address, the highest one is the broadcast address, and the other addresses in the range would be the free address range. In this case, going from 138.4.48.1 to 138.4.55.254. Okay? A property which is satisfied by any address from the network is that this address, if we perform a logical AND between the address and the net mask, we always obtain the network address. That means the lowest address in the network range. If we take this example of a network address within our network, it would be 138.4.54.3, and we perform this logical AND bit by bit, we would obtain 138.4.48.0. This is something that always holds for a valid network IP address within a network.